What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I want to show you these little rear reflector lights for a 2018 Honda CRV. I opened these up and added a 12-inch Diode Dynamics LED strip, which is a single color dual intensity in red. So this is what it looks like on the bench itself. All of my wire penetrations are completely sealed. We still have the usable breather vent that's going to prevent moisture from building up, waterproof soldered and heat shrink wiring connections, and then of course the Diode Dynamics driver that will tap into the factory wiring. Okay, and here they are installed on the vehicle, and as you can see, they look pretty much exactly like stock until I get really down on them. Here they are in parking light mode, so they are on 50% brightness, and I actually think it looks really nice like this because it's got this linear kind of design to it, and the tail light and these inner lights all have this linear design to it, so it actually flows a little bit better than I had originally anticipated. I will say this, the Fresnel effect of that lens, as you can see, it really shifts the way that the light is perceived, and it makes it look like the lines aren't straight. It makes it look like they kind of wiggle or weird angles, and it's absolutely just the lens. And as long as you don't get super picky about things that you literally can't control, I'd say it's pretty awesome. And here it is integrated with the turn signal. As you can see, parking lights, turn signal, and turn signal going to 100% brightness. Same setup on the other side. And now for the brakes. Brake light, no brake light, brake light, no brake light. And now I'll show all of the features with the parking lights off. Left turn signal, right turn signal, and brakes. And that's all there is to it. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description, so if you are interested in a build similar to this for your particular vehicle, whatever vehicle that may be, by all means check out the video description. There will be a link to my website there. All build requests must be submitted via the form on the website. That is how you get into my work queue. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I shall talk to you later. Thank you, bye!